Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 461 Star Drop opening, and we're going to be starting off with the Mega Pig opening. Again, I'm hoping our club got to at least 5 out of 5. I have a very strong feeling we didn't fill it up just based on looking at it as well, but we can tell based on how many Star Drops I get, so let's see. 167 coins. Power points, we have about, looks like 14 Star Drops, so
rare,
starting with a rare, 50 coins,
epic,
into an epic, 500 XP doublers, rare of 25 power points,
rare
of 100 XP doublers,
rare
of 100 XP doublers,
rare
25 power points,
super rare,
super rare 50 power points,
epic,
200 coins, rare 50 coins,
rare
100 XP doublers, rare 50 coins,
super
rare 50 bloom,
rare
50 coins. Alright, so all resources, not too shabby. Again, I'll be back in just a second once I get the 3 daily Star Drops. Alright, so we're back with the 3 daily Star Drops.
super rare,
Super rare, 200 XP doublers, rare 50 coins,
super rare,
and super rare 100 bling. And with the Mega Pig event being done and the weekend events, all we really have going on in the event selection is Knockout 5v5, Shuffle City, and as someone who doesn't usually play too many 5v5 modes, I'm quite familiar with that one just because of the SpongeBob event forcing us to play random different modes every day. But let's see what's going on in the shop today. So, we finally have Dark Keep Pearl in the shop, which looks like a pretty cool skin. I'm surprised it's only 80 gems, which I believe is a rare, if I'm not mistaken. I'd have to look in the catalog, though. Let's see what it says.
Suitably satiated.
Yeah, so again, considering I have 0 gems, I'm obviously not going to spend gems on it, but it does look like you'll be able to get it for free out of Star Drops or just purchase it with bling in about 2 weeks. So again, it is one of the cooler skins and definitely one I'd probably prefer using over the other current Pearl skins in the game. Again, we have Squeak Buster Gale at 50% off for the rest of the day, but again, could just potentially get that for free out of a Star Drop or using bling. I just so happen to have a jackpot of 600 coins, Yahoo, and a daily freebie of 15 coins as well. So getting quite a bit of coins today. Again, I also have a bling pack offer, but I've been saving up quite a bit of bling myself. I probably will end up spending that today. Again, I was hoping I'd be able to use it on the SpongeBob event items, but obviously that didn't happen because they cost either gems or physical currency, so I guess it could be digital too, but you know, real world money, not in-game made up currencies. But anyway, not too much else going on in the game as of today. I will mention that I will get my day 4 Star Drop in about 14 minutes, so I'll just patch that in once I get it. But as of today, I have 1,262 XP doublers and 97,586 power points. Which again, I really just can't wait until they make some kind of change for that, because it is so absurd having that many power points. But again, let me know if you guys got anything good out of your Mega Pig, but other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys. Alright, I'm back with the day 4 daily gifts or daily login calendar Star Drop, so let's see what we have.
epic,
An epic, 100 blings. Alright. Well, again, not much else going on, so let's see how far I can take this, guys.